In Task 2, multiple choice, multiple answers, you need to listen to a recording and answer a multiple choice question on the content or tone of the recording. You can select more than one response. The prompt length is 50 to 90 seconds. The skills assessed are listening, and there is no specific time to answer. For this question type, you need to listen to the recording and answer the multiple choice question. There is more than one correct response. The audio recording will play automatically, and you can only listen to it once. You need to select all of the correct options from the list. Click on an option to select it. You can deselect it by clicking on it again. Test tips. Firstly, take notes of the main points and supporting details. In the 7 seconds before the recording begins, read the question and get ready to take notes to help you answer. Taking notes is likely to be more helpful than trying to select options while you listen, because you may not hear the information in exactly the same order as the options. Note down details, e.g., times, places, things that happened, as well as the main points, because you will need to select more than one option. Secondly, select for meaning, not just to match the words you hear. Select the options that best match the meaning of what you heard. Don't just choose an option because it has the same words or phrases as the recording. Several options may use words from the recording, but may not match the meaning. Finally, make sure you know how the task is scored. Read the instructions carefully and remember that more than one response option is correct. You will score points for any correct options, but you will lose points for any incorrect options. These include options that you have clicked on as correct, but which are wrong. If you click on all the options because you do not know the answer, you will lose score points. How this question is scored. Your response is judged on your ability to analyze, interpret, and evaluate a brief audio or video recording on an academic subject. If all your response options are correct, you will receive the maximum score points. If one or more of your response options are incorrect, partial credit scoring applies. Please note, this question type affects the scoring of only listening. Your speaking and writing skills are not tested by this question type, and your reading skills are only used to read the instructions, prompt, and response options.